Hey everyone, Chris Urso here with Urso Capital Partners down in Atlanta, on my way over to our second deal down here, 4375 Apartments. Gonna give you guys a quick spin through. We are now, I guess, about 2 months in, just about, not even. We're in our second month of takeover. Our site team is all in place. They're fantastic. We brought in an entire new team. So if you remember, the property was owned for 40 years, just 39 years actually, since 1980 by the same group, and they self-managed. And the staff and the site teams were great people, but they'd just been here for 25 plus years. And the place needed, new management, modernizing. So we got our temp sign up, our temp banner here at 4375. We're going to clean up all this landscaping so you can actually see the sign better. And that's our neighbor right there, the Greens at Cascade. They're doing a big renovation as well. I'll take you all through here. And come in kind of on a horseshoe. All the buildings are wrapped in vinyl. We're in the process of going to do a reskin, meaning new paint job on the exteriors, the doors, the shutters, spruce up all the landscaping. Place was 100% occupied when we acquired the property and is still running around 97% occupancy. We've increased the rents dramatically since takeover, just to test things out because occupancy was so high, and we're doing really well. We're up over $100 across the board on each floor plan. So I'm going to just give you kind of a quick spin through, give you a little feel for the property. So over here in this space, we're contemplating either doing a standalone office, so like a small 1,000 square foot single story office. If that doesn't make sense, what we're going to do is make this some sort of community space here, whether it's a couple of picnic tables, some grills, pergolas, or a dog park here. And then down here we have, so if you guys can see there, this is another thing that's just insane. So right now, this particular area, so we have some of the tree trimming done. You can see they have kind of a pop-up grill behind the trees over here. So we're gonna make this like a nice community space with some pergolas, grills over here, and picnic tables. We're obviously gonna get rid of the 2 dumpsters that are basically blocking the pool right now. That doesn't really make it very attractive or inviting. That structure back there is currently the laundry facility, which we're gonna convert to a fitness center. We're gonna obviously get all new pool furniture, umbrellas, etc., make it a little more inviting. We're gonna just spruce up the playground here, give it a good paint job, bring it back to life. It's actually not a bad structure here. So we're gonna clean this area up, and you see they're doing a test building here for us on the paint. Going from that old kind of yellowish color to now like a light blue / gray. Sorry about that. Light blue / gray with the blue shutters and then blue doors ultimately. We think we're gonna go a little bit darker on the gray color. It's looking a little too bluish for us. So we might go a little more of the gray tone. And then blue doors. So that's kind of where we're at. Place is looking good. Extremely happy with our site team that we have in place. They're doing a fantastic job. And just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a spin through. We don't have any units available to show at the moment, which is a good thing. So all the units that our team has turned, kind of, improving the previous unit that was there, but not really doing big upgrades yet. We're really starting from the outside in. So right now it's getting the units turned, fixing anything that's broken, putting out a good clean product, replacing flooring as needed, replacing appliances as needed. But we're getting tremendous rents. So you can see one of the brochures here. So you can see the brochure here. So right now the 1 bedrooms are at $712. They were previously at $599. and then we're adding on $45 for water, sewer, and trash. And the 2 bedrooms were at $877. Those were previously at $699. So we're getting huge bumps here. The 3s are at $927. Those were at $799. I don't know if you can see that there. And all plus the water, sewer, and trash. And again, like, you know, we're going to definitely purge some residents that can't afford the bump. Also, you know, as we implement policies, procedures that weren't previously here in terms of when people need to pay rent, we're going to have some dips in occupancy. We're not going to stay 100% throughout the entire first year, especially as we're bringing people up to market rents. So we're going to definitely see some evictions, some move outs, but we're getting really good steady traffic at these rental rates, which was kind of our thesis to begin with, that if we can put out a really good, clean product, it's very difficult to find a good, solid apartment, you know, in the $700 to $1,000 range in and around Atlanta, and especially with the proximity to a ton of employment drivers here. So look forward to keeping you guys updated on the progress. We're just kicking off the capital projects, and the biggest impact's obviously going to be the painting and the exterior buildings, the exteriors on the buildings, and we'll get you guys updates on that as things progress. Thank you.